Good morning, Linda. Are you ready for the new delivery today?
Hello, David. Yes, I have my scanner and my radio ready.
We have 3 big trucks coming from the port this morning.
What is inside the boxes? Is it the new computer equipment?
No, today we are receiving car parts for the local factory.
I need to know the correct shelf for these parts.
Look at the tablet screen. Section B is for the small metal parts.
Section B is very full today. Can we use Section C instead?
Section C is only for heavy tires and large engines.
I will move some old boxes to make more space in Section B.
That is a good idea. Please check the labels on the old boxes first.
Some labels are very old. I cannot read the identification numbers.
Use your scanner to find the information in our system.
The scanner is working now. The battery is at 100%.
Perfect. First, we need to clean the loading area.
I will take the electric broom. It is behind the main door.
We must finish the cleaning before the first truck arrives.
The truck is 5 minutes away. I can hear the engine now.
Put on your yellow vest. It is important for your safety.
I have my vest and my safety shoes on. I am prepared.
Stay behind the yellow line when the truck is moving.
I understand the rules. I will wait for your signal.
The driver is reversing now. Please open the large gate.
The gate is open. The red light is turning green.
Welcome to our warehouse, driver. Please stop here.
I will start counting the pallets now. There are 10 wooden pallets.
Check the paper manifest. Does it match the number of pallets?
Yes, the manifest says 10 pallets of engine valves.
Excellent. Let us start the unloading process immediately.
I am getting the forklift. See you in a minute.
Linda, please scan the barcode on every box.
I am scanning the first pallet now. The system says okay.
What is the weight of the second pallet?
It is 400 kilograms. The scale is very accurate.
That is quite heavy. Be careful with the forklift.
I am moving slowly. The floor is a bit slippery today.
I will put some dry sand on the floor later.
The scanner is making a strange sound. It says error.
Let me see the screen. The code is for a different warehouse.
This box does not belong to us. It is for the city branch.
I will call the office. We must return this box to the driver.
The driver is still here. He is drinking some coffee.
Tell him about the mistake. We cannot accept wrong items.
I am talking to him now. He is checking his list.
Mistakes happen when people are in a hurry.
He says sorry. He will take the box back to the truck.
Now we have 9 correct pallets. Please update the system.
The inventory is updated. We have 500 valves now.
We need to organize them by size. Small valves go to the top shelf.
I need the ladder for the top shelf. It is in the corner.
I will hold the ladder for you. Safety is very important here.
Thank you, David. I have the first box in my hands.
Put it in slot number 42. That is the correct place.
Slot 42 is empty. I am placing the box now.
Perfect. Now scan the shelf code to confirm the location.
The location is confirmed. The system is happy now.
We have 8 more pallets. We must work faster.
I am ready. The forklift is very fast today.
Do not drive too fast. There are other workers in Section A.
I am watching the mirrors. I see everyone.
Linda, stop the forklift for a moment. I see a problem.
What is the matter? Is there something on the floor?
Your left front tire is a bit soft. It needs more air.
I did not notice that. I will go to the repair station.
It is dangerous to carry heavy loads with a soft tire.
You are right. I will check the air pressure now.
Also, look at the fire extinguisher on the wall.
The needle is in the green zone. It is ready for use.
Good. We must check all extinguishers every Monday morning.
I have the safety checklist in my pocket. I am marking it now.
Do you have your gloves? The metal boxes are very sharp.
Yes, I have my leather gloves. They protect my hands.
The air in the warehouse is very dusty today.
We should open the high windows. We need fresh air.
I will open the windows. Please stay away from the fans.
The fans are very loud. I can hear them from here.
They are necessary for the ventilation system.
Look at this pallet. The wood is broken in the middle.
That is a safety hazard. We must change the pallet.
I will get a new plastic pallet. They are stronger.
Plastic pallets are also easier to clean.
I am moving the boxes to the new pallet now.
Use your legs to lift, not your back.
Thank you for the advice. My back feels fine.
We have a new safety sign for the gate.
What does the sign say? Is it a new rule?
It says, "No entry without a helmet." We have many visitors.
That is a good rule. Head protection is very important.
I have an extra helmet in my office for guests.
I am finished with the tires. The forklift is perfect now.
We need to find the blue boxes from last week.
They are in section D near the back wall.
The customer wants them today. The delivery truck is coming.
There are 20 blue boxes. I will count them again.
Check the serial numbers on the side. They must be sequential.
Number 1, number 2. Wait, number 3 is missing.
That is not good. Look behind the large metal container.
I found it. It was under a piece of plastic.
Now we have all 20 boxes. Please put them on a pallet.
I am using the manual jack. It is better for this area.
Section D is very narrow. Be careful with the corners.
I am moving slowly. The pallet is very stable.
We need to wrap the pallet in plastic film.
I have the roll of film here. I will start at the bottom.
Wrap it 3 times. We don't want the boxes to fall.
The plastic is very tight. The pallet is ready for transport.
Now we need a shipping label. I will print it now.
The printer is out of paper. I will get a new roll.
The paper is in the cabinet under the desk.
I see it. I am fixing the printer now.
The label is ready.
I am sticking the label on the front of the pallet.
Destination Central Factory. That is correct.
The truck is waiting at dock number 4.
Move the pallet to the loading zone. I will open the dock door.
The door is opening. I see the truck driver.
He has a digital clipboard. You must sign it.
I am signing the document now. The delivery is official.
Great. One more truck is finished. We are doing well.
I need a short break. I will drink some water.
Linda, the office says we have a special order.
Is it a small order or a large one?
It is only one small box, but it is very urgent.
Where is the box located? I will find it quickly.
It is in the high security zone. You need the key.
I have the electronic key card. I am going there now.
The box is red. It contains expensive electronic sensors.
I see the red box. It is on the middle shelf.
Please use both hands. The box is very fragile.
I am holding it carefully. I am walking to the desk.
We need a special fragile sticker for this box.
I have the stickers in the drawer. I am using 2.
The courier is coming in 10 minutes. He is on a motorcycle.
A motorcycle? That is very fast for the city traffic.
Yes, it is for the fastest delivery service.
I will put the box in a padded envelope for protection.
That is a smart decision. Safety for the product is key.
The courier is here. He has a black helmet.
Give him the envelope and check his ID card.
His ID is correct. His name is Marco.
Goodbye, Marco. Please drive safely with the sensors.
Now the special order is gone. What is next, David?
We need to prepare the inventory report for the boss.
I will count the empty pallets in the yard.
There should be 50 empty pallets. Please check the stack.
I see 48. 2 pallets are broken and in the trash.
I will write 48 good pallets in the report.
The sun is going down. The lights are turning on.
The warehouse looks very different at night.
It is very quiet now. No more trucks today.
It is 5 o'clock. We must finish the final paperwork.
I am putting my scanner on the charging station.
Is the green light blinking? It needs to charge for tomorrow.
Yes, it is charging. My radio is also on the desk.
I am checking the locks on the main gates.
The side door is locked. I have the key in my hand.
We received 20 pallets and sent 15 today.
That was a very busy day for 2 people.
You did a great job, Linda. Your forklift skills are excellent.
Thank you, David. I am learning a lot from you.
Tomorrow, we have a big shipment of tools.
I will arrive at 8 o'clock in the morning.
I will be here at 7:30 to check the system.
I am turning off the lights in section D.
Please leave the emergency lights on. They are necessary.
The warehouse is safe and clean. I am proud of our work.
I will sign the daily logbook now. Today is Tuesday.
I am taking off my safety vest. It is in my locker.
Do not forget your bag. It is near the coffee machine.
Thank you. I almost forgot my lunchbox.
Have a nice evening and a good rest.
You too, David. See you tomorrow morning.
I am pushing the button for the alarm system.
The alarm is active. The red light is on.
We are the last people in the building.
I am walking to my car now. It is cold outside.
Winter is coming. We need more heaters in the warehouse.
I will bring a warm sweater tomorrow.
Good night, Linda.
Good night, David.